Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series on a machine learning interview question and answer. So in this tutorial we are going to see about one more important questions related to neural network deep learning. So the question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of using neural network algorithm for our machine learning task? Okay, so let's try to first understand what is neural network. So neural network set of algorithms are a kind of machine learning algorithm, and it's one of the brain inspired algorithm which we use in a machine learning task. So it tries to behave like the way our brain works, the way our brain try to predict the next task. So it is one of the machine learning algorithm. Now what are the advantage and disadvantage of using neural network? Especially in case of neural network, the deep learning algorithms, which are the subtype of the neural network algorithm, which has got a very much hype in last couple of years. So neural network has a one subtype which is nothing but the deep learning algorithm, and those deep learning algorithm are the kind of algorithm which has almost outspaced all existing ML algorithm, all existing machine learning algorithm in case of image, video and a text related processing task. So let's say if you consider Google Photos, so it will automatically categorize all those photo automatically for us into somewhere around 2000 different category. YouTube is using deep learning for their own video classification. Still it's in a research phase, but deep learning is we are taking too much advantage of deep learning. It is helpful for the text or even speech recognition. So if you might be using Apple Siri or Google Android speech recognition, it is using this deep learning neural network kind of algorithm because it has almost outperformed all existing other neural network plus other machine learning algorithm. It also creates a very high or low level abstraction of the input data. Now what does that mean actually, creating the representation of the input data? Let's say you supply huge number of face photo to the machine learning algorithm or to a neural network algorithm. What this neural network will do, it will automatically extract those feature for us. Like in a first layer of neural network, it will connect or it will detect the line, then combinedly those line it will try to detect like a nose, eyes. Combinedly those nose and eyes, it will try to detect the partial face, and combination of those partial face photo, it will try to detect these faces. So this way, if you supply huge bunch of data, huge bunch of face photo to the neural network deep learning algorithm, it will try to create this kind of representation that will be a much more beneficial, so that individual developer do not need to explicitly write the code for the feature extraction. It will do all those feature extraction automatically. So this is one of the big advantage of neural network, that feature extraction automatically. It will almost outperform in image, video, text and a speech related task in all area compared to all other machine learning algorithm. So these are all some of the advantages of neural network. But what are the disadvantages of neural network? So to do those kind of thing, neural network require lots of training data. So before applying this neural network to on any kind of data, we require lot of data. So if you don't have enough data available, this neural network won't perform very good. This neural network architecture is very difficult to debug. So what does this debugging means? That suppose you have already supplied some of the training data to neural network algorithm, and in some case it performs very well, in some case it doesn't perform much well. But in both the cases you can never come to know about any kind of conclusion that it's why it is performing good or why it is performing bad. So there is no conclusion. If something is working, you don't have any conclusion. If something is not working, there is no conclusion you have. It's your luck that better you select some particular architecture, and if it is work and your business starts running. There is another problem also. There are number of architectures are available to neural network, so it is a very difficult to select which kind of particular architecture of neural network will work for this kind of data. Something will work for some kind of data, something will work for another kind of data, but there is no thumb rule for it. So it's all depends on your experience, more and more experience with your data. Plus, if you supply a lot of training data to this neural network, it requires a huge amount of time for the training. So either you can go for using the CUDA GPU. That is one of the solution to reduce the training time, but even in that case also there is a huge training time is required. Sometimes this training time, if you don't have enough computation power, it goes beyond a week and even months also. So these are all some of the disadvantages of the neural network based algorithm, especially a deep learning algorithm. So lots of training data is required, very difficult to debug. There are a lot of architectures are available. It is very difficult which one you can choose. Huge training time, actually it's require huge training time. But apart from that, there are a lot of advantages also, and everyone, especially in Silicon Valley giant company, everyone is using right now the deep learning based neural network algorithm for almost all their predictive analysis kind of tasks. So these are all the some of the advantages and disadvantages of the neural network. So that's it for this lecture, friends. I hope you enjoy listening this video. If you haven't understood anything, please write it into comment, and please do like the video, comment and subscribe my channel to support the channel. At last, thank you guys for the watching.